Hello my lovely grade 5 learners, I missed you so much. As you know that we are back online for 4 weeks. I will start this video by telling you about the lessons we will learn during this duration. First, I would like to tell you about the units that we covered during this year. Unit 1, it was about plants and their habitats. Unit 2, it was about animals and their habitats. Unit 3, it was about man and his health, and then we started online with the fourth unit, which is about matter and energy. Together, we learned about sources and colors of light. Then, we learned about how light travels through different mediums like transparent, translucent, and opaque. Then, we learned about how does light travel and reflect. And finally, we learned about how light is refracted. And today we will learn about electrical currents. During these 4 weeks, I will be sending you an interactive science notebook. You will solve it and send it back to the school after 1 week. As I said, that today we will learn about electrical currents. As we know that most devices need electrical current to operate. Some toys use batteries. Together, we will discover the secret of electrical power. Look at this flashlight. What energy source allows it to shine? It's the battery. Without the batteries, it will not shine. We have different types of batteries. They are so small, like the battery of your watch, and some are so big, like the battery of the car. All the batteries have two terminals, or poles, a positive plus terminal and a negative minus terminal. So all the batteries are sources of electrical current. We will learn also about conductors and insulators. What are conductors and what are insulators? Conductors are any material that allow energy to flow, energy or electrical current to flow. A conductor is something which allows electricity to flow through. When dealing with thermal energy, conductors allow for heat to transfer easily from one object to the next. An example of a conductor is scissors, paper clips, aluminum foil, iron, steel, copper, silver, mercury. So all metals are conductors. Water can also conduct electricity. What is an insulator? They are materials that don't allow electrical current to flow. Some examples are cotton, rubber, plastic, paper, glass. Now it's your turn to list more examples of conductors and insulators. Love you all. Thank you.